Hi there, this will be an instruction manual for Janet Johnson, so she can take lightning photography tonight. Mrs. YXE Backflow Guy. Mrs. Tasty sounded so better, but sorry, anyway. Alright, here we go. So the camera is basically the same setup as you have. We're going to switch this dial to manual. I'm trying to see this through the camera, so anyway, it goes out of focus. And so it's on manual, okay? So that's good. Now you can adjust everything you want to adjust here. Okay, so just touch the button, the camera's on of course. And this, the back button will take you down to bulbs, but you can leave it, if you don't want to go bulb, you can always go like 10 seconds at a time, but it'll go bulb or to whatever. So it goes 13 seconds, 12 seconds, 10 seconds, whatever, okay? So anyway. So when the front button, you turn that, that turns your f-stop. So if it's really bright out when you're trying to shoot the lightning, like if it's still sunny on one side of the cloud, I don't recommend it anyway, but you can, if you go to f16 or so, or f18, you should be able to get the shot, okay? The other thing you want to watch is where it says 200 ISO. So you'll come down to this button on the side, and I keep trying to, one of these will say ISO. ISO, anyway. If you push and hold it, I can't do it with two fingers, but with one hand, but then the back button will change that 200 number to whatever it is now, whatever you have it on now, this 200 number here. It will change it when you hold that button in, it says ISO, and use the back button. And then 100 probably is what I recommend, but 200, if you want to go there, that's fine too. And then as it gets, if it starts with not bad, if it's really light, and then as it gets darker, you can always change your ISO. Instead of being 16 or 18 or 20, you can start moving it down, right? Or like if it's way too bright, then you want to move this number up. If it's way too dark, you want to move this number down, okay? And then you can leave the timing, however, if you have it on bulb, then you can leave this timing wherever this, you can leave, you adjust this for how light or dark, but you can also adjust this. So if it's a shorter time, it's going to be darker, of course, okay? And then, like I was saying about the focus, because you have this focus button over here, right? Okay, so what I want you to do, try to do this with one hand, is zoom out and focus, and you just leave it on auto, right? You just leave it on auto and focus in whatever it is that's far out there. Then as soon as it's focused in, just switch the switch back. You hear it click, kind of. And you switch the switch back, and then it'll be on manual. Then just take your zoom and just zoom it all the way back in, remembering not to touch the focus ring. Do not touch a focus ring. Just zoom the lens back, because then it'll stay at that bar focus, an infinity focus, and then it'll stay in focus for you when you're shooting lightning. Then throw it on a tripod. One of these flaps on your camera, your plug will plug into. Each model is a little different, so mine plugs in up here, but yours might plug in, I can't remember on the 7000 where it plugs in here or here. But you only have two flaps on that camera, I think, so just pick one that looks like it'll plug in. Anyway, and then just go ahead and shoot, and you're ready to go. So anyway, thank you for attending my class. I'm going to make my delicious dinner now. Okay, we will talk to you later, and have fun, ladies. Bye.